Hey, so I'm Matt Crow, and I started my entrepreneurial journey when I was in high school. I sold my first company at around age 20 and went off and have done a handful of things since then, including moving to Silicon Valley. I started a tech company there where I was a founder and have had huge ups and downs in my entrepreneurial career, from making tons of money to losing everything and failing to making tons of money and learning so much along the way. And also kind of missing something. I was missing this underpinning of spirituality and the hole as a young man that I was trying to fill within myself with money and success and power, etc. So after Silicon Valley, I took a breather. I moved to San Diego and tried a job for a while. I'm like, well, maybe that'll make me happy, which it didn't. And started doing angel investing and other tech companies and advising, helping founder CEOs with mostly what not to do, because that's what all my mess ups, but also balance in life and self-care and that sort of thing. So as I felt called on my own spiritual journey of plant medicines and healing and family traumas and that sort of thing, I had actually came to Playa del Carmen about 3 years ago for a month to just kind of try what it would be like being a digital nomad and entrepreneur living in Mexico. And I had an incredible time and met a bunch of other local people from all over the world doing the same thing as me. And so I had just finished doing the van life thing around the US, and my buddy who lives here in Playa del Carmen was like, bro, come on down, let's work on our businesses together and work on ourselves together and grow. And that was the start. Like about a year ago, I moved to Playa del Carmen and have met an amazing community of people and really healed myself on my own journey and finding peace and happiness and balance, but also being able to help my portfolio companies and really show up for them and help other people. And so I had this idea of wanting to do a podcast around spirituality and entrepreneurship and YouTube and socials and that kind of thing, but I didn't know really how to make it come about. And all of a sudden this conscious co-working event came out of nowhere. And now I have this cool little community and a great way to share that message in a group format of what we have all learned and what we need to learn and want to learn, and share that with the world. So that's kind of what brought me to where I am today, and I hope to see you around.